Welcome back to TechMirror, where we break down the gear that powers your adventures and gets the job done. Today, we're diving into the VEVOR electric winch with a massive 13,500 pounds load capacity. This 12-volt DC truck winch comes equipped with 3/8" by 80-foot synthetic rope, plus both wireless and wired remote controls. It's built specifically for towing off-road SUVs, Jeeps, trailers, boats, and heavy recovery tasks. If you're into off-roading, overlanding, or just need reliable pulling power, stick around as we review this budget-friendly beast. Every off-road trip or heavy-duty task can throw surprises your way, like getting stuck in deep mud or needing to shift a stubborn load. This VEVOR winch is designed to handle those moments with serious strength, smart safety features, and real convenience. It combines high pulling capacity, solid control options, and tough build quality, so you stay confident no matter the conditions. The standout here is the unstoppable pulling power, rated at 13,500 pounds. Whether you're yanking your SUV out of sand, mud, or snow, or hauling equipment on a job site, this winch delivers the force needed without hesitation. It turns stressful recoveries into straightforward tasks, giving you the reliability to push forward on tough trails or demanding work. Power comes from a high-efficiency 6.6 HP 12-volt DC copper-wound motor, paired with a 3-stage planetary gear system. The copper windings help cut down on heat buildup for longer runtime without overheating. The gear setup provides smooth, steady pulls, even under heavy strain in rain, rocks, or thick mud, making it a dependable performer when you need consistent strength. Instead of heavy, rusty steel cable, this winch uses a lightweight 12-strand synthetic rope that's 3/8" thick and 80 feet long. The high-density polyethylene material resists UV damage, cuts, and abrasion while floating on water for easier handling around boats or wet areas. It's much simpler to manage than traditional cable, reduces fatigue during use, and includes bright red markings on the last few wraps as a clear visual warning when you're nearing the end. Control stays effortless with dual options that adapt to any scenario. The wireless remote reaches up to about 65.6 feet, letting you operate from a safe spot away from the action. For times when signal might be spotty or you want precise hands-on feel, the 9.8-foot wired remote serves as a reliable backup. Both make recovery smoother and safer in remote mountain trails or open terrain. Durability shines through with an IP55 waterproof and dust-resistant rating, so rain, splashes, and dirt won't slow it down. The alloy body features a rugged matte black finish that's built to fight corrosion and withstand harsh outdoor punishment over time. Installation proves straightforward thanks to the universal mounting pattern, color-coded power cables, included fairlead, hook, and clear instructions that get you set up quickly. Versatility makes this winch more than just an off-road recovery tool. Pull vehicles free from snow or mud, drag logs and trailers, load boats onto trailers, or handle farm and construction hauling. Outdoor enthusiasts rely on it for trail emergencies. Farmers use it for daily lifting, and site workers count on it for moving heavy materials. It's a practical all-around solution that brings peace of mind as backup power. In final thoughts, the VEVOR 13,500 pounds electric winch punches way above its price point with strong real-world performance, smart features like the synthetic rope and dual remotes, and solid build quality that holds up in tough conditions. User feedback often highlights its value, reliable pulls and testing, and ease of use for weekend warriors and heavy-duty needs alike. While premium brands exist for extreme pros, this one delivers excellent capability without the premium cost. If you're looking for an affordable, capable winch that won't let you down on the trail or job site, this VEVOR model is a smart pick worth considering. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Have you run a VEVOR winch yet? Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe to TechMirror for more gear breakdowns, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay powered up out there!